First of all, I'm gonna do a little bit of freestyle, then I will have my band here, the Black Nature Band, and we'll just play a song for you guys. But before I do this, I don't really know if I'm gonna play the right chords and everything, but really quick, I just want all of us in here to just feel the spirit of being alive, and also if we all could just like stand up just for a sec. Thank you. Thank you. And please, if we all just really raise up our fist up the air. That's right. And send all our beautiful spirits and our beautiful blessings to the people out there that have been through civil wars, the people that are suffering right now, the people that need our help, the people that need our love. And just shout really loud and say freedom 3 times. You guys ready to do that? Let's do it. After 1, 2, 3, let's go. Say it. Say it. Thank you all guys for blessing us. Yes.